Hello everyone, for today's video is we're going to mukbang Indian mango. So mag-upload na ulit ang kakukbang sa. So we're going to mukbang Indian mango. So last two bunga namin siya guys. Then of course we're going to mukbang junk foods, chicharon and alibaba. So let's eat. Look at that. Crunchy. Maasim, namin siya matamis. Sarap. Sabi nila pag makain ka ng mangga, every day in a week, in 1 week, huwag pa dapat tamo. Pero saan na yun last two bunga naman yun. Hindi na magwapay. Spam detected. Okay. Kahit mangga eh. Finish. May isa pa dito pero i-wait ko teacher. So ayan, dito na naman tayo. Okay, malutong to. Masarap to. Malutong. So ito minukbang mo. Parang i-SMR na talaga to kasi. Ayan o. Masarap to pag may ano. Pati sa to. Hindi na ako masyado nakakapag-live kasi may na yung signal dito eh. So yan, mag-record ng video. Ang dalawa kay teacher. Tigalawa kay. Ang lutong, grabe. Parang yung nakakain ng chicharon. Nakatamis ng ganitong chicharon, no? Masarap siya pero according to them, hindi ito nakakatulong na mapaganda yung katawan. Kasi pag araw-arawin mo ko, hindi pwede. Not good for your health. Kasi nakakasira to ng kidney. Makarat kasi, makaka-UTI ito. So I think that's all. Dalawang teacher lang kasi yung the rest two will be kang teacher. And also the mangga is tunga na sa me. And this one, hindi ko kaya kasi sumakit ang kidney. So I think that's all. Goodbye everyone. Thank you for watching. And please don't forget to share and follow my Facebook account. Thank you. Goodbye. Have a nice day ahead. God bless.